everyone's teaching how to make AI videos, right? But this video is on another level because in this video, I'll show you how you can create unlimited AI videos for free. And here's the crazy part. Just by making these free videos, you can actually win big prizes like an iPhone 17 Pro and Amazon gift cards that's worth up to $500. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's real, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and let's see how you can join this event. All right, first things first, check out the video description below. You'll see a link right there. Just click on it and it'll take you straight to this page. This is the official event page where you can start creating your videos for free. But before we start making videos, let's take a quick look at what this event is all about and how you can actually win those amazing prizes. So this exciting event is organized by LitMedia and Minimax Hailuo AI. First, let's check the event timeline. The deadline to join is October 31st, 2025. So make sure you participate before that. From November 1st to 3rd, the organizers will review all the videos, checking your creativity, style, and how fun your videos are. And then on November 5th, the winners will be announced. Okay, so here's how you can join this challenge. It's super simple, just make creative videos and have fun with it. The best part, it's completely free and unlimited. You can create as many videos as you want without paying anything. And yeah, there are also some really cool prizes waiting, like an iPhone 17 Pro and Amazon gift cards. Just remember, the theme is surreal creations. That means your video should have something creative, unexpected, or a fun twist at the end. Once you're ready, click Start Creating Now, sign in, and start making your videos. That's it. No limits, no stress, just enjoy and be creative. All right, now let's start creating our videos. On the event page, you'll see a bunch of video templates. These are the ones you'll use to join the challenge. But here's where it gets fun. You have to add your own twist at the end to make it unique and creative. Let me show you how it works. First, I'll pick a template, let's say, a man opening a refrigerator. Now, I'll add my own prompt to give it a little creative twist. You can also upload an image for the ending frame if you want, but that's totally optional. Next, just click Free Generate and your video starts creating. Make sure the model is set to Minimax Hailuo AI 02, since this event is powered by Minimax Hailuo AI. And, wow, look at this! How cool is that? It's easy, fun, and completely free. You can make as many videos as you want and even stand a chance to win those awesome prizes. Pretty exciting, right? To download your video, just click Download and it'll be saved instantly. Now, let's try a few more examples so you can see how to add your own creative twist. I'm picking this template again, adding a new prompt, then hitting Generate, and here we go. Wow, just look at that! I tried a few more templates, added some fun twists, and here are the results. Pretty awesome, right? Remember, the more creative and unique your videos are, the better your chances to win. So go ahead, experiment, have fun, and make the most of this free and unlimited video generation. All right, guys, now comes the most important part, how to submit your videos and officially join the event. Don't worry, it's super easy. Step 1, download your video after creating it. Step 2, follow LitMedia's official account on the platform where you'll post, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. You'll find all their links on the event page. Step 3, upload your video to your own account. Make sure to mention the official LitMedia account and use the special event hashtag. That hashtag is really important. Without it, your video won't count as an entry. And that's it, you're in. Now keep creating, add funny twists, and enjoy the process. You can make unlimited videos for free until the event deadline. The more creative your videos, the higher your chances to win those big prizes. But wait, that's not all! LitMedia AI isn't just about this challenge. It's a complete all-in-one AI creation tool. You can try other powerful models like SORA 2 and VO 3, or experiment with image to video, text to video, and tons of creative templates. It's everything you need to bring your ideas to life in one place. So guys, this is your chance. Create unlimited videos for free, have fun, and maybe walk away with incredible rewards, even an iPhone 17 Pro. The link is in the description. Go try it out and show us what you can create. Check the link in the video description and start creating your videos today. Be creative, have fun, and add your unique twist. The more imaginative your videos, the higher your chances to stand out. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe so you can catch more tutorials like this. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me what kind of twist or idea you're trying in your videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Goodbye.